Hello, this is Amos Tarfa, the author of the Counting to Calculus Curriculum Framework. In this video, I want to talk to you briefly about the online portal for Counting to Calculus. Basically, there's a link, myopenmath.com. You click on register as a new student. You use the course ID and the enrollment key, which we provide to you. And basically, that gives you the option, and actually, I'll give you that right now if you are looking. The course ID is 247873. 247873, and then the enrollment key is STEM. Just put in STEM. When you go to register as a new student, that's what you need to do. And I'll make maybe a short video about that after. So when you go to the course as a student, you will see this page like this. It says Counting to Calculus Teams. And basically, this course is designed to accompany a few textbooks, starting with Pre-Algebra by the College of the Redwoods and Beginning and Intermediate Algebra by Tyler Wallace. These are some of the open source textbooks that we used. I started working on this project about 12 years ago, and I realized that there were already good resources out there that could be used by anyone who wants to learn math well. So I reached out to the authors, and that was part of the beginning of the project. Your workbook right now, the Counting to Calculus Volume 1, or any of the other workbooks are following the order of these topics. Pretty much, for the most part, they're just going down in order here. And so what you can expect is when you log in, you could take the diagnostic test if you want. If you feel uncomfortable about math concepts and just think, nope, I don't think I can do a lot of mathematics right now, that's fine. I will recommend just taking at least the first test to keep it on file. Make sure you download the textbook for the first volume. Make sure you download the solutions manual, and make sure you download the mastery tracker. I created the mastery tracker as a tool where you can put green when you've mastered concepts and red when you haven't mastered them. One of the things you can enjoy with the Counting to Calculus series is you can join me in our weekly sessions, which I offer for Counting to Calculus, for the Counting to Calculus community. That is something you can pay to be a part of. Okay, so you basically go down and you click on the first chapter, whole numbers. You click on Introduction to Whole Numbers. Notice that it gives you the textbook section, and then it gives you the videos. You don't need to watch all the videos all the time, but there might be time where it might help to use the videos. So this is a video of me, for example, teaching whole numbers, Introduction to Whole Numbers. So this is, you click on it, you watch the video, and it will explain how whole numbers work. If you want to watch a video on number lines, place value, rounding and estimation, and so on and so forth, you can do that. But this is how it works, is that you log in, you watch the video, you review the textbook, and you fill in the answers into your workbook, and then you go to the community and you're able to show that, hey, I'm working through these concepts. How's it going for you? And there's some peer instruction that ends up happening. So the idea is when you understand something so well, you should be able to teach it to somebody else. Let's see. Okay, so it's important that as you work on this, you understand how things are going. You work on, each concept and fill out the information and then go from there. Okay, so that's the volume 1. There's going to be a volume 2 and a volume 3. When you finish volumes 1, 2, and 3, that will take you through the concepts that are discussed. I'm going to go back. I apologize. I went to my master list. Okay, this is, if you go back here, notice that it will take you through pre-algebra. It will take you through algebra 1 and algebra 2 and pre-calculus and geometry. So you're covering all the topics that are necessary to do calculus with confidence, but you're doing it in a systematic way, so you're not missing any of the prior concepts that you need. That's what this is about. So where do we go from here? Well, email Amos at amosthemathguy.com. Tell me what your goals are. Do you want to do chemistry, physics, and calculus? Or do you just want to learn math better and enjoy the journey? Let me know what you'd like to do. I'll look forward to working with you to guide you through the process. You're always welcome to email me. There's no cost for that. You can email me at any time. But if you want to join the community, also let me know. I'm going to be setting up some communities for parents and adults who are learning mathematics, because that's a very good skill if you know mathematics, especially algebra and geometric reasoning and trigonometry. It could really be helpful in critical thinking. So let me know if you have any questions. Look forward to working with you, and welcome again to the Counting to Calculus community, to the Counting to Calculus team.